When a dairy grip rubber roll is received, the grooved pattern is facing outwards on the roll. To install the belting roll correctly with the grooved pattern facing up, the roll must be unrolled in reverse. Double-check the lot number and color of the roll tag to ensure that it is the correct dimensions for the area intended. Insert a strong metal bar or pipe through the core of the rubber roll. We recommend at least 3 16th-inch wall tubing to support the weight of the roll. Fasten chains to the exposed ends of the metal bar or pipe. Attach the chains to a machine large enough to lift the roll. Prior to installation, ensure the area is scraped clean, then bring the roll to the desired installation location. Begin by removing any nails, screws, or strapping from the roll. Double and triple check the roll for additional or unseen screws or nails. Pull a length of belt from the roll and position the leading edge in the correct location. You can tack the rubber in place with a pin, clamps, or park a machine on the rubber to keep it from sliding as the roll is unwound. With the front edge secured, reverse the machine, unrolling the dairy grip as you go. Try to let the rubber fall as closely as possible to the desired location, as moving the rubber once unrolled can be challenging. You can use a loader to gently nudge the unrolled material. Be sure to maintain a gap on the side to allow for expansion-contraction. Install stainless steel anchors with washers, drilling pilot holes every 2 feet down the edges of the dairy grip and every 4 to 5 inches across the ends and around the corners. The rubber will stay in position with no anchors, but the purpose of anchoring the edges is to keep sand, manure, bedding, and other materials from getting under the roll. Once your roll is installed, if you are continuing with another roll, repeat the same procedure, ensuring a minimum of a 1/4 inch gap around the edges. With your installation complete, you can rest assured that you now have the floor trusted by leading dairy farms across the country, resistant to machinery and hooves, and loved most by the cows themselves.